The unique gift of grace. Once upon a time, in a vibrant grassland called Enchanting Meadows, there lived a friendly giraffe named Grace. Grace had the longest neck in the whole animal kingdom. She loved reaching the sweet leaves at the top of the trees and sharing them with other animals. One day, a mischievous monkey named Max noticed Grace's kindness and thought of a naughty plan. He started teasing Grace for having such a long neck, calling her stretchy giraffe. Grace felt sad and thought there was something wrong with her. But one wise old turtle named Terry saw what was happening and decided to help. Terry approached Grace and said, "Grace, your long neck is a special gift. You can reach high places and share delicious food with others. Don't let anyone make you feel bad about it." Grace realized that Terry was right. She began to embrace her uniqueness and continued to share the leaves with her friends. The other animals soon realized the value of Grace's long neck and appreciated her even more. The moral of this story is that we should celebrate our differences and see them as strengths. Just like Grace, we all have unique qualities that make us special. It's important to be proud of who we are and never let others bring us down. The lively transformation of lazy Henry. Once upon a time, in a peaceful meadow, there lived a lazy horse named Henry. While the other horses galloped and played, Henry preferred to lie lazily in the grass all day. One sunny day, a little bird named Bella flew by and saw Henry dozing off again. Bella decided to help Henry realize the joy of being active. She chirped cheerfully, "Hey Henry, life is so much fun when you move and play. Come on, let's race." Henry grumbled, "I'm too tired, Bella. Racing is too much effort." But Bella was determined. She hopped around Henry, singing lively songs and telling exciting stories. Slowly, Henry's curiosity awakened. Finally, Henry agreed. "All right, Bella, let's give it a try." With a burst of energy, Henry stood up and stretched his legs. He galloped beside Bella, feeling the wind in his mane and the thrill of the race. He realized how much fun he had been missing. From that day on, Henry embraced an active lifestyle. He joined his friends in playful races and adventures, discovering the wonders of the meadow. Lazy horse had transformed into a spirited and joyful companion, all thanks to the little bird who showed him the joy of being active. And so, Henry the horse lived happily ever after, enjoying every moment of his newfound energy.
The jealous zebra and giraffe. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there were two friends, a zebra and a giraffe. They loved playing together and exploring the beautiful plains. But one day, jealousy crept into the zebra's heart. The zebra was envious of the giraffe's long neck, which reached the juiciest leaves on tall trees. Feeling sad, the zebra started avoiding the giraffe. Because of that, zebra stopped playing with giraffe and giraffe felt very sad. Seeing this, the wise lion called both friends and shared a valuable lesson. He explained that everyone is unique and has their own special qualities. Instead of feeling jealous, they should appreciate and celebrate each other's differences. From that day forward, they cherished their friendship, understanding that being different is what makes the world a beautiful place. The moral of the story is to embrace and respect the differences in others, for diversity brings joy and strengthens friendships.